In today's video, we're going to see what you can do if your Logitech is stuck on your loading screen. So first of all, we can do some preliminary fixes. And what you'll have to do is first of all, just close Logitech and go right here to your system task tray where it has your hidden icons. You press on this and you'll see the Logitech logo right here. You'll just simply double click on it and you'll press on quit. Now this will close and restart it a bit, which means that this can fix your issue. If this fixes your problem, it would be great. Otherwise, we will go to the next fix. Now the next fix is running it on administrator mode. So to run it on an administrator mode, you'll just simply go to your search bar. And as it opens, you'll just simply search Logitech G HUB. You can see this, and here you see the option of run as administrator. You press on run as administrator, and after you press it, you launch the Logitech G HUB again. You can open it from right here. You can press its icon, and then you need to see if it works. If it works, then great. Otherwise, we will go to the next solution. Now your third solution is going to Task Manager and eliminating Logitech related activities from there, basically end task. So you'll just go to your search bar just like before. This time you'll search up Task Manager. Here you have Task Manager, and now Task Manager will open up. Now these are all of your activities. Now from here you will find Logitech. As you scroll down, you will see Logitech. Now these are the activities that you can find, like LG Hub Updater. You can find other as well if you've been using it for a while, but it's mostly LG Hub Updater. So what you'll do is you'll double click on LG Hub Updater, and here you will press on End Task. Now you can see this isn't present here anymore. That means the end task has worked. You can go around here and check if there's any other LG Hub, but this is sorted alphabetically. And these are the 4 methods that you can use in order to fix your problem of Logitech G HUB being stuck on your loading screen. You need to try out 4 of these methods, and one of these would work. If they don't, you have to contact their help center. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.